Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Daily English Version School, Day Shift, Bonasi, Dhaka. Okay, dear students, this is our first class of 2022 session, and I want to take class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic is Chapter 1 SQ, it means short question 1 and 2. Today's topic is Chapter 1 short question 1 and 2. Today's lecture number 1 and HW number also 1. Okay, this is our name. This is my name, Mizanur Rahman, and this is my mobile number. If you face any problem, you can call me and I will try to solve, inshallah. Okay, dear students, now come to the board and start our class. Class 3, subject Islam, term half yearly 2022. Short question. Question number 1. What does the word rob mean? What does the word rob mean? Answer. Rob is an Arabic word. It means the cherisher. Allah is our Rob. He is the cherisher of all creatures. He cherishes us by giving us light, air, and different kinds of foods. Okay, dear students, I want to repeat again. Question number 1. What does the word rob mean? Answer. Rob is an Arabic word. It means the cherisher. Allah is our Rob. He is the cherisher of all creatures. He cherishes us by giving us light, air, and different kinds of foods. Okay, dear students, now we'll start short question number 2. What is Iman? What is Iman? Answer. Iman is an Arabic word. It means to have faith, to believe, to trust, etc. To believe in Allah the Almighty and His Rasul or messengers, Asmani Kitabs, and life after death is called Iman. Okay, dear students, now I want to repeat again question number 2. What is Iman? Answer. Iman is an Arabic word. It means to have faith, to believe, to trust, etc. To believe in Allah the Almighty and His Rasul or messengers, Asmani Kitabs, and life after death is called Iman. Okay, dear students, it's enough for today's class. I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, and I want to give HW on the basis of today's lecture. Dear students, this lecture of YouTube class is very important, because on the basis of YouTube class you will be held exam. So you have to must memorize these 2 questions. And HW, today's HW is right answer of question number 1 and 2. Right answer of question number, short question number 1 and 2. You have to do your assigned HW, question number 1 and question number 2. Both questions you have to write down on your HW copy. And firstly, write down HW number. Right left side of your copy HW and write here number. And right side of your copy write down date and used submission date. Then start from here. Writing question number 1, then question number 2. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home. Avoid by parents. Stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah, with another topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.